Hey guys, it's Neka, and today I'm going to be doing a hair haul from the company ISEE Hair. So let's begin. So the specs on the hair would have to be that I have the Brazilian deep wave in the lengths 14, 2/16, and a 12-inch closure. So let me just show you how everything came and what was in the actual package. So the package looked like this, which is one of their signature kind of Ziploc, customized, ISEE Hair logo type of packaging. And inside of the actual packet, the first thing I noticed was they had a pair of lashes. Per usual, a lot of hair companies have them inside, but guys, I'm actually wearing them today because these lashes are actually looking pretty, pretty good. They're pretty long, but they're still also pretty cute. So again, that was the first thing. Another thing that was inside the package is the actual business card, and this one just kind of has information on the overall site and how you can leave a review and what have you. And now on to what y'all actually want to see. We're just going to start off with the longest bundle. And this is what the deep wave is looking like. You just see these beautiful kind of ringlets, and the ends are not looking too shabby. Usually with curly hair, the ends can be one of the biggest places that you have to really pay attention to and observe to make sure that you're not about to be out here just, looking like who shot John and forgot to kill him with your bundles looking straggly and toe up from the flow up. And this is the 16-inch bundle, and it's looking pretty thick, which is nice. The hair feels good. Let me just take this rubber band off. The hair came in a hairnet as well, but I just could not resist taking it off. I also noticed that it had very nice packaging and kind of like customizing here. The marketing is on point with ISEE Hair. I'm going to go through it like this and just see what happens to the curl. Oop, I'm getting a little bit of resistance, as you guys can see. It's not terrible, but right here on the ends, it's getting some resistance. So I'm definitely going to be deep conditioning this hair and just trying to keep it locked, keep it smooth. Yeah, because I'm getting a little resistance when I do this. Not too much. I am also trying to really see like what's good with the hair, but I only got one strand, and I'm not sure if you guys can even see it. But again, it's curly hair, so it's not just gonna like necessarily be the most smoothest glide through at all times. So I will say that it's not too bad, but this is what it looks like when it's kind of puffed out. And again, this is the 16-inch bundle. Next, I have another 16-inch bundle, and I'm just going to show this to you quickly just to kind of see like if all of the bundles look the same, since sometimes you can literally order hair from a company and one bundle is thin and the other is not. So this is kind of giving you a full view of what it looked like when I got it, and it came in a hairnet just to keep the hair kind of in order. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. Let's check out these ends. The ends aren't looking shabby either, which is nice. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you the last few items, which would have to be the 14-inch bundle and the 12-inch closure. So the 14-inch bundle comes in packaging very similar to the other ones. It has its own little clear wrapping that specifies the length, the actual texture type, and then like the origin of the hair. And let me open this for you guys too. Again, like the others, it just has details on the hair care and just other instructions. So I'm really feeling the branding because they definitely took their time. And this is what the overall bundle is looking like. It did come with its own hairnet as well. This 14-inch bundle is looking good. One thing I noticed is that I think it might actually have the fullest ends amongst the two other bundles that I showed. But yeah, it looks pretty good, and the overall ringlets are extremely soft. Like, I cannot wait to get this hair wet and just kind of see how the hair itself holds up, but it's looking very soft, and this curl pattern is gorgeous. But I will be sure to show you guys once the wig is complete. But now I'm going to show you guys the 4x4 closure that is 12 inches long. And here is how that came packaged. Again, same kind of scheme as the other ones, with all the details up top. And I'm just going to open this so you guys can see what it's looking like. So this is the closure, and it's a 4x4 closure. And it actually is a 3-way parted closure. Just makes it easier to just, bleach and knots and keep it pushing. But this is what it's looking like. It looks so small to me because I literally have a 7x7 closure on this unit. So I haven't been on that 4x4 love in a while. So this is so interesting. But it looks like it's constructed pretty well. It has the reinforcements along the outside, which are great to help the prevention of actual ripping of the lace and what have you. The lace is not transparent, as you can see, but it's not bad. Like, it's not bad at all, but you can definitely see where the lace is. Like, you can catch the lace for sure. However, once I do bleach the knots, I do plan to tint the lace as well as add some foundation and a stocking cap so that it can look as natural as possible. Overall, the hair on this closure is very thick. Like roots are not sparse at all, nor is the actual hairline to the closure. So I will be doing probably a good amount of tweezing on it. And this is just what the ends look like. They're not bad, like not too shabby. And yeah, I'm just very excited to create this wave because the hair looks super cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And once I have this wig finished, you guys will be the first to see it.